loves, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to slay a ponytail with twisty top knot ninja burn. So I've been seeing this hairstyle go around for a while now, and I decided to give you guys a full detailed tutorial on how I created this look particularly. So I'm just going to be explaining every step I made in this video, and I hope you sit back and enjoy. So as you can see, I just applied the petals gel on my hair. Next I'm going to do is to brush it, lay it, brush it all around. Next I'm going to do, guys, is to style my edges. Now the next thing, I got a 1 pack attachment, guys. Literally just 1 pack will be enough for what we need to do. So I'm just going to divide it in parts, tie it together and fit it to my hair. Exactly. So this is one of my favorite parts. Now what you do here is to just roll it and turn it round. Yes, you roll it again, you do the same thing. That's what you keep doing over and over again. It's really an easy process, not much talk. Now to give what you need to do a firm hold, you would need to hold it on with a bobby pin. Exactly, a paper pin, but the bobby pin just gives it a really firm hold, so it wouldn't have to fall off or crumble. You keep doing the same process, and you apply a bobby pin, you do the same process, you apply the bobby pin. You apply your bobby pin, so you can just stay firm. Okay, stay firm. And we're done with this part, so we'll apply the bobby pin, make it stay firmly. And the next one, so we do the same process again, what we did in the first place, and now we do this again. You just roll it and turn it round. Roll it and turn it round. Guys, this is such a really simple, beautiful, classic hairstyle, and very easy to do. It took me 10 good minutes to create this hairdo. So you just keep doing the same process over and over again, so you can get what you want. Next thing, guys, I used the petals gel to just apply it on the attachment so it can stay properly. That if you notice closely, there's this little hair that shows on its body of so you just use your gel to apply it. Use your gel, apply it on the hair so you can lay down smoothly, and then you slick it. Very good. So we're done with the hairstyle, guys. Let me know what you think about this hairdo. Let me know your thoughts about this hair, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and please share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.